Hi students, today we are going to learn lesson of models. Now, why should we be learning this chapter? The lesson's objectives are that after we learn this particular lesson, you are expected to use model verb correctly in the sentence. लेसन के हिसाब से आप सेंटेंस को कंपोज कर सको and also recognize models and their functions. This is how we have to learn this particular lesson. So what are modal verbs? Modal verbs is a type of helping verb that is used to express ability, request, advice, possibility, permission or obligation. इतनी सारी चीज़ों को हम मॉडल्स के थ्रू रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. How many types of models are there? Modal verbs are can, could, may, might. Then advice, you can say should, must, have to, ought to, could, will, would. These all are modal verbs. Now, if you see ability को जब हमें बताना होता है तो we use can and could. परमिशन को जब हमें बताना होता है तो we use permission, can, could or may. रिक्वेस्ट को बताना होता है तो we can use can, could or may also. If we have to give some advice, then should. Then obligation, if we have to show, then must or have to. And possibility modals, if you say, then it is might, may, could, can, we can use. Now, where we are going to use can. When we use ability, permission, request, offer, suggestion और possibility. जैसे ability मतलब I can, you can do it. If you can do it means ये एक ability है. I can speak English. Permission जैसे can I go to the cinema? If you want to make a request, can you wait for a moment, please? If it is an offer, I can lend you my car till tomorrow. अगर आप किसी को सजेशन दे रहे हैं, like can we visit grandma at the weekend? Possibility जैसे it can get very hot in Arizona, or मतलब कोई भी possibility, even if you want to take about, then it is where you have to use can only. Next is could. Could को हम कहाँ use करेंगे? Again, it is a past tense of can. जहाँ जहाँ आपको past form use करना है, past tense में can use करना है, so instead of using can in the same place, you can use could. Ability, permission, polite questions, request, offer, suggestions, possibility, wherever you want to use, you can use could in past tense where you have used can in present. Okay, next one is may. May का यूज हम परमिशन, सजेशन और पॉसिबिलिटी के लिए करते हैं. लाइक इफ इट इज फॉर परमिशन, यू कैन से मे आई गो टू सिनेमा. इसी का जो पास्ट फॉर्म होता है दैट इज माइट. जहां आपने मे यूज किया है इन पास्ट में, यू कैन टेक माइट एज पॉजिटिव. पॉसिबिलिटी में इट माइट रेन टुडे. And if you want to say some where you are not sure, like कोई hesitant way में अगर आपको बात करनी है, जैसे might I help you, you're not sure but you might can, so there you can use might. The next comes as must. Must is for force, for possibility or advice. Force, like I want to go to the supermarket today. Necessity को बता रहा है. Possibility, you must be tired. Advice is you must see the new film with Brad Pitt. तो ये एक एडवाइस है. You must not waste time. ये एक एडवाइस है. So wherever you are advising, there you can use must. Then must not, may not. It is prohibition. किसी चीज़ को मना अगर करना है आपको, तो डिनाई करना है, तो आप इसको यूज करते हैं. लाइक यू must not work or mustn't work on dad's computer, or you may not work on dad's computer. नीड टू का यूज हम तब करते हैं जब हमें कुछ नेसेसिटी को बताना है, बट समथिंग विच इज नॉट वेरी नेसेसरी. लाइक आई नीडंट गो टू द सुपरमार्केट, वी आर गोइंग टू रेस्टोरेंट टुनाइट.
Now let's talk about ought to. Ought to is very similar to should, but their compulsion is not there. It also talks about advice and obligation, but it depends upon the situation also. Suppose I say you ought to drive carefully in bad weather. So this is a suggestion when we are using ought to. But if यहाँ पर should आता, you should drive carefully, then it must have been a compulsion. Now, obligation, if we say you ought to switch off the light when you leave the room, this is also an advice and not a compulsion. It is just a suggestion that you should do it. Shall जो है वो फ्यूचर टेंस के लिए यूज़ होता है एंड जनरली ये आई, यू, वी और दे के साथ यूज़ होता है. Shall का मतलब है whenever we have to use a suggestion we have to give, then we use shall, and the past tense of shall is should. So shall I carry your bag, this is a suggestion. And again, as I told you in ought to also, if or should is used, then a compulsion is there. Zaruri hai that whatever has been said is must. So you should drive carefully in bad weather is that you must take care of what has been said. Okay? Will is again for future tense, like he, she and it के साथ will आता है रूल के अकॉर्डिंग. और जब हमें कोई रिक्वेस्ट, कोई प्रेडिक्शन, प्रॉमिस, a decision, a spontaneous decision rather, and a habit if we want to talk about, then we use will. जैसे रिक्वेस्ट के लिए will you please shut the door. Then if you see prediction, I think it will rain on Friday. See, one more thing I would like to tell you. अभी मैंने बोला कि will is used with he, she, it. Now in first sentence you can see कि यहाँ पर you है. Okay, you के साथ will का use हुआ है. Now when this will and shall changes its position, then the thing becomes mandatory or the work becomes mandatory. So जब ये आया will you please shut the door, that means what has been said कि it's kind of an, you can't say it's an order, but the person who is saying वो ये कह रहा है, कंपल्शन में दे रहा है कि डोर बंद कर दो, शट द डोर. तो जब दे, वी, आई एंड यू के साथ विल आ जाएगा, then the thing becomes compulsion. And again, it's mandatory, you see, mandatory. And if it is he, she, it के साथ shall आ जाएगा, then again the work becomes mandatory. मतलब रूल जो है वो उलट गए एक दूसरे के साथ, reciprocal हो गए, उलट गए, opposite हो गए. So the work becomes mandatory. Then promise is there, I will stop smoking. देखो यहाँ पे भी I will है, I shall नहीं है. That means it is a promise, it's mandatory. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर भी shall नहीं आया है, will आया है. So it's a promise. The work is mandatory. That's how will has been used with I. Spontaneous decision. Can somebody drive me to the station? And the answer, the decision is I will. So it's a definite thing. Habit. She is strange. Shall sit for आवर्स विदाउट टॉकिंग। अब इस शी के साथ सी यहाँ पर शी विल है, सो इट्स जस्ट कैजुअल अकॉर्डिंग टू द रूल कि वो बहुत देर तक चुपचाप बैठी रह सकती है। सो येस, इट इज़ अ स्ट्रेंज, दे से लाइक दैट। So I hope you have understood the changing of will and shall simultaneously. And if any questions, please comment on. Thank you so much.